Do you want to spend time having fun with people you love? Do you want to be with people you care for when they really need you? I can show you ways how to retire now with a passive income by building an online business. If creating an online business that excites you to give you a passive income so you have the time freedom to do what you want doesn't resonate with you, then skip ahead. It's not for you. I don't want to waste your time. You're still here. Great. I like you because you're one of the many brave people. You're like millions of people throughout the world that change their life and have the time freedom to do the things they really enjoy. If you're interested to learn the ways to retire with a passive income, click the button on my right on PC or below for mobile, and I'll send you workshop videos at no cost to you, the same videos that were sent to me. Have you ever been working and seen people who are enjoying themselves with the time and freedom they have and think you're wasting your life? I've been working at resorts and watching people swimming, blazing, next to the pool and just relaxing with their family and friends. And I was thinking, I'm wasting my life. I should be one of those people. To start your passive income for retirement, all you need is a laptop, a few skills, a system to follow, and some determination. There's no age limit. You don't need extensive computer skills. All you need to do is to follow some easy step-by-step instructions. The workshop videos will give ideas on what product to sell or service you can provide. Maybe you already have some ideas. Watch the videos, you'll at least learn something, and maybe not. If you already know what you want to do, at least take a look. Spend a little of your time to watch the workshop videos because I believe the information is great. Spend a little of your time watching the videos instead of watching the next episode of the show you've seen before or some other unbelievable movie. Creating an automated online business allows you to retire with a passive income coming into your bank account 24 hours a day while you're doing the things you love, such as spending time with your family and friends. Or maybe you want to travel, or master your favorite sport, or see what you can create with your favorite hobby. You can spend your time however you want, including just relaxing. If this resonates with you, just click the button and I'll send you the workshop videos at no cost to you that got me started. You've nothing to lose. The workshop videos will introduce you to Stuart, the owner and amazing mentor who will provide you with the information you're looking for. Stuart has multiple 7-figure online businesses. Join our friendly community of people who are just starting on their journey and people who are already earning their 6 or 7-figure incomes by being mentored by successful entrepreneurs. Earning money is great. It's a tool to enjoy your life with the time freedom and financial security that you want for an exciting life. Click the button because the workshop videos will inform you how to obtain your exciting retirement with the time freedom you want and with financial security. Click the button because time is passing us by so fast. Be the person who realizes that you have taken the steps to improve your life. Click the button because you can retire now and not wonder in the future why you're still living the mundane life of the 9-to-5 rat race job. Do yourself a favor, click the button.